My name is Kubai.
Okay, sorry.
Not Khobi.
Okay.
My name is Kubai.
Okay, Khobi, okay.
Thank you.
Okay, Khobi. Today I need you case.
Yes, sir. Today coming many case. All new case.
Can you explain to me?
Can I explain what? I counting first.
Okay, carry on.
Can or not? Okay, thank you. Now I tell you. Sambhog shipyard accident. Bangladesh worker 3%. Then Indian worker 2%. Myanmar worker 1%. China worker 2%. Thailand worker 1%.
Okay, enough. I will see later. Now I have appointment. I want to go to MOM. But I want to tell you something.
Yes, sir.
Listen to me. Okay? You are my secretary. You are my helper. But not a lawyer. What? You know, in Singapore everybody believe me. And everybody know my character. That's why they come in my office. I never bluff anybody. I hope you won't make any problem for me and not give me any trouble.
Okay. No, sir. Never. I never make any trouble. You give me a taxation. I only follow you. Hello? 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 Huh?
Okay.
Hello? Who are you? Who are you? What problem? Huh? Fall down ready? No problem. You fall down ready, no problem. I have a Mr. Lawyer. I take your case. Don't worry. Okay, now I'm very busy. You tomorrow come my office. I settle for everything. I take your case. Your case. I take it. Okay? Okay, bye. Now I'm very busy. Okay, bye.
Okay, Kavish. I want to go to court. You take care of my office. Anybody come and you give him time. 3 o'clock. I will be come back. 3 p.m. Okay?
3 a.m. Huh?
PM.
Sorry.
Okay. Bye.
Okay. Don't worry, sir. I live in Singapore. I need one car. One house. My boss give me only $2,000. Not enough. $2,000 not enough. This $2,000 I buy one t-shirt. Money finished running. I am ready. I have few Bangladeshi workers usually case. This case I settle, then my hand coming lot of money. Then I can buy one car. After I make one house, then I marry one Singaporean girl. People say I'm a liar. Actually, I'm not lawyer. I'm Mr. Liar. What? What do you say? How is accident?
working time, my hand break it. Very pain was.
You don't know.
Yeah.
You don't go any doctor.
You don't get a doctor, okay? I give you Panadol. You drink and tomorrow you will still work, okay? Wait.
I can bring you hospital.
So really I cannot bring you hospital. You take Panadol, okay? You drink, tomorrow you have job.
It's too much pain.
It's so much pain was. And you are busy man, busy. I cannot take you to hospital, okay?
আমাকে ডাক্তারকে যেতে হবে।
You want to go doctor?
I must need to go see doctor.
I must need to go see doctor.
In foreign country,
In foreign countries,
there are no one to take care.
there is no one person.
এই বিদেশে কি আমার
Help to me.
এই বিদেশে আমার দেখার মতো কেউ নাই।
এই বিদেশে আমাকে দেখার মতো কেউ নাই।
আমি এখন ডাক্তার
আমি এখনই ডাক্তারের কাছে যাবো।
মোবাইলে কল করি।
আমি এখনই ডাক্তারের কাছে যাবো।
মোবাইল কল করি। মনে ভাই
ফোন করো।
মনে ভাই মনে ভাই মোবাইল কল করো।
হ্যালো, হ্যালো মনির ভাই।
আমার বুঝছিস না যে আসলে
মনির ভাই, সবাই go to Singapore General Hospital, ভাই।
কল করো ঠিক আছে।
Okay. Okay, I take taxi, eh?
আমি জরুরি সেবা
Okay. Okay. Okay, ভাই।
মিশনারি স্টিল নাও ইউ আর হিয়ার
Hello. Still here? What are you doing? Huh? Still here? Yeah, nothing. You're take more Panadol, okay? You drink and tomorrow you come go to your job, okay? You have job, okay? Don't go any hospital, I tell you. Go. I'm busy, I'm so busy. Go. No, this is stupid old guy. What? Hello. Hey, Nagisa Kumar. I want to send back one stupid old guy. How much you charge? 400. I give you 500, okay? Yes, tomorrow you come by computer. Immediately, I have to send back on the worker. This stupid worker. Give me travel only.
Now I'm lawyer.
I still don't see it.
What are you doing? You are sleeping in my office. You don't take care of my office and my job.
What's the problem?
What is your problem, man?
No problem. No problem.
Sir.
No problem.
No, sir. No problem, sir. I'm okay. Sir, I cannot sleep properly. My home.
My wife.
My wife
Always asking to buy gold.
always asking
To buy gold.
buy gold.
That's why.
That's all.
Sometimes I'm thinking of it.
Sometimes little bit sleep in office. You're laughing.
I never after buy gold. Not buy gold.
I night time cannot sleep because my wife night time and sleeping time talking. My husband to give me alankar, give me gold, like this talking. I cannot sleep. That's why your office little bit sleep. What do you say? I don't know. This is office. This is not a drama place, okay?
I don't know Bangla.
And sometimes you are using Bangla. I don't understand. You don't understand. I don't care. I don't know.
No problem. I think I'm very good of it.
Huh? At that time, Bangla talking what? This office very good. This office, yes, we have
Case coming many.
many item have. Case coming, many
Very good.
money coming.
Very
Very good, sir.
Mr. John.
I say very good. This Yesterday 7 people coming. What is their problem?
Sir, nothing. 7 people. Their boss will never pay salary. Poor minimum. That's why he owed everybody to come my office and complain. I say, salary case, not our job. What?
You say salary case not our job.
Yeah.
Only insurance case our job.
Yeah.
Stop your mouth, man. We are lawyers. Everybody believe us.
Yeah.
We can help everybody.
Yeah, correct.
We don't take only insurance case. We do all kind of case. Remember it.
Okay. Now I understand. Man, chicken room go cutting any vegetable, 4 finger take out. This case I also handle it.
You are talking too much. I tell you that. Remember, let me cool down. Tomorrow you call that 7 person.
Huh?
They come my office. I will take them MOM. Waka believe me.
Yeah.
That's why. They come to my office. Okay. I am going to MM.
I want big fish.
I want.
Why? I want big fish.
Let me. You take care of my office. And don't sleep in my office again.
Okay. Okay.
Why? I want big fish.
I want big fish,
But my boss wants.
but my boss need only a small fish.
আমি যে বড়
আরে আমি চাই বড় বড় রুই কাতলা খাইতে আর আমার বসে চা ছোট্ট মাছ খাইতে হ্যাঁ
আমার চাইবেন বেশি
বসে আমার দেখলাম বেশি বুঝে হ্যাঁ দণ্ডদরিদ্র হয়ে গেছে হ্যাঁ মাই বস want to be social worker আমার দেশের মাইসের জন্য আরে আমার কোনো মায়া লাগে না আর তার নাকি জ্বলে যায় আরে কথাই আছে না মার জ্বলে না আর মা have to take care my countrymen more than me. It's a lie. And to take care for the mother. I have to reach. আমি বড় লোক হতে চাই তাড়াতাড়ি ও বিজয় হ্যাঁ কাম ওটা বড় ওকে নাকি হ্যাঁ ওকে হ্যাঁ Okay. I don't want my worker go to hospital. This will make it terrible only. I have to do very long time and doing my business. I know how to do business in Singapore. If anybody, any worker accident, I can what? Immediately send back. I know. If worker go to hospital, doctor give them seat. Worker go among. Oh no! Very big trouble. I do it. Better? Send back. I went hospital, boss. Doctor give me 20 days empty, boss. This is my empty, boss. This is my medical bill, boss. My hand injury, boss. That's why I go to hospital, boss. What? Why you go hospital? You stupid? Huh? Give me empty paper. Why go hospital? Why go hospital? Stupid? Don't listen, huh? Don't listen. You can't move, sit here.
I give you more than
Huh? 20 days NC, medical bill 1,200.
I give you more than
Okay, you are here. I give you more than NC. Okay, don't move.
What?